Good morning and welcome back. Today is another episode of our daily hot sheets for Roswell, Georgia. Today is Friday, December 1st. Let's take a look and see what the rates did today or from yesterday. So it came up ever so slightly. We're at 7.15. We are getting really close to the 7 point. That's really, really good. Okay, now I'm just going to switch back over here and let's see what's happened with our listings and our actual real estate market here. We had 8 new listings come on the market. 1 fell out of contract and is back on the market. We did get 4 that did a price decrease. 1 got put on hold, and it literally came on the market and went on hold the same day. So I think they're just not ready. It says back on the market after the new year. We did get 4 that closed, 3 expired, and 2 went active under contract. So let's open those up and see which they are. Here are our new listings in Horseshoe Bend. We've got 1. Let me see how I can make this. See if I can make this smaller here. There we go. Get that out of the way for you. Okay. So here we've got Horseshoe Bend offered at $950. 5 bedroom, 5.5 bath. We've got 1 here on Greenway Hills. This is active, and a 3-2. Let me see if it's on a basement. It is on not a basement slab. 3-2 offered for $500,000. That is Roswell High School. It is Mountain Park Elementary and Crabapple Middle. We've got Skyland Drive. This is off of 120 over there. Roswell North, Crabapple, and Roswell High School are the schools, offered for $650. This looks bigger than it actually is, or it seems bigger than it appears. It is 6 bedrooms and 4 full baths. Get a quick look on the inside. Nice vaulted ceilings. Okay, then we've got 1 in Hollyberry on Strickland Road. That's a cute little street. They've got a nice house there. Offered for $635, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. We've got 1 in Glen Eves that's offered for $595. That's on the other side. That's Centennial High School. Here's 1 Nesbit. So this is Nesbit Ridge is in Centennial as well. Another 5, 3.5. It's offered at $625. So these are our newer listings. And Crabapple Walk. Here's another new one. This is Sweet Apple, Elkins, and Milton for their high school. This one is at $465. So this is a good price. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. These are really, really cute homes. Look, it's nice, open, nicely updated. This is a great price right here. Lock Highland. This one, I think this is one that came back on the market. I could be wrong. Let me see. 17 days. It says active here, but let me see. Yeah, just came back on the market. Okay, 610, that's in Lock Highland. That's the Lasseter High School District. So it's Roswell, but it's the East Cobb part. And Martin's Landing on the other side of 400. We've got 1 for $612 in the Overlook. Martin's Landing, it's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And then, let me see if Hillcrest. This one is 1.4. This one also, I think, let me go back here. I think this one is back on the market. They had a price decrease. Came down about $20,000. Here's a look at this one. Kind of an interesting way to get to the front door. Beautiful though on the inside, really nice. Nicely staged and presented. Very pretty. That's a lovely home. Okay, so this one is offered for $1.49. And that is Roswell North, Crabapple, and Roswell High School. And let me go back up here real quick because I think those, let's see, we were doing, those are closed, pending decrease. Let's see, the ones that went under active under contract here. Saddle Creek had one that went under contract. That was a very quick short one, and one in Chimney Lakes, $475 and $575. That was a cute little ranch in Sweet Apple or Saddle Creek. And then here's the one in Chimney Lakes that went active under contract. And then let's just look at the 4 that closed. Terramont, Land O'Lakes, Hidden Lake, and Long Point are the ones that closed. So that's it for the weekend. And as we start moving into the weekend, December 1st. I will check back in and bring it to you some more information on Monday. I'll be checking on Saturday and Sunday, but if you have any questions in the meanwhile, reach out to me and let me know. And again, if you want this same kind of information for a different market other than Roswell, let me know. Or maybe you want to know specifically for your neighborhood or subdivision, I'd be happy to put that together. Let's have a conversation. The rates are coming down. It's looking good. And it's definitely moving closer to our 6%, which has been pretty much our norm for the historic past several decades. So wishing you all a great long weekend, and thanks for joining.